Hi, I'm Jeff Poole, one of the subject matter expert team members here at ICAR. We'd like to talk with you just for a few minutes about forward-facing cameras. A lot of our vehicles today have forward-facing cameras, part of the lane keep or lane departure warning system, and may assist in other functionality of advanced driver assist systems. It's important as you're working on these vehicles that you are following all of the service information and vehicle manufacturer information on calibrations, when calibrations are required, and how to carry out those calibrations. In many cases, it may be anything from replacement of the glass or removal of the camera to suspension and wheel alignment adjustments or other structural damage to the vehicle that warrants the calibration procedure be done. These procedures may be static, requiring a target placed in front of the vehicle at specific coordinates, or they may be dynamic in nature, meaning you go out and take it for a road test with the scan tool hooked up to it to initiate that command. Ultimately, there may be preconditions that need to be met, such as fuel level and other vehicle loading. Make sure that you're following all that service manual information. Ensure that you're returning the vehicle to the customer in a safe, appropriate manner so the system will perform as designed. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you on the next episode.